In Islam, we are taught that there is a relationship between two things which are called ilm and amal. Ilm and amal means knowledge and action. And through the ahadith, through the verses of the Quran, we are being taught that there is some sort of a very powerful connection between knowledge and action. And these two things, they cannot be separated from one another. It means that if you know that something is good, but you refuse to act upon what you know to be good, then what is going to happen is that knowledge that you have of what is good is going to dissipate and is going to disappear. This is one of the rules that the Ahlul Bayt have kind of laid out for us, the Quran has laid out. If you know that something is something good, then you must act upon it. If you fail to act upon it, that knowledge is going to disappear. At a very basic level, we know that, for example, if I know that something is good but I'm not doing it, you're going to forget it over time. But at a deeper level, when we look at this issue, we find that the human being is built in a way that if you know that something is good but you refuse to act upon it, the mind is going to tell you over time that maybe it's not so good after all. If it was good, well, I'd be doing it. Right? Why wouldn't you do something which is good? For example, if we find that someone is understanding that charity is a good action, charity is one of the best actions. I keep seeing these ahadith. But the problem is that they're a vile human being. They're greedy. They're miserly. They just can't give charity. They just can't do it. But they keep seeing these Quranic verses, they keep seeing these ahadith, it's good, it's being recommended in Islam. What's going to happen over time is that they're going to justify in their mind that, okay, well, I'm not giving charity. Why? Is it because I'm a bad human being? No, it's because these other people who are in need of charity, they're lazy, they're shiftless, they're undeserving, whatever it is. In fact, if I give them charity, that's going to be a negative trait for me. Why? Because I'm going to be, what's that word they use? Enabling. There we go. Enabling these shiftless, lazy, horrible human beings. So this is how the human psyche works, that if you have knowledge of something, but you refuse to act upon it, the human mind is going to shift and it's going to slowly dissipate from the arena that it has within your mind. So here it becomes clear that if I know something to be good and I refuse to act upon it, that knowledge leaves me.